Hi there. It's good to see you. It's time to say goodnight to all our friends, and they're waiting to say goodnight to you. Let me show you who you'll meet on our farm. So help me say goodnight to all my friends.
Night falls. The moon is high. All the people are ready to sleep as they turn off the lights. But wait, look at the farmhouse. There are still some lights on. The animals are sleepy too. Do you want to turn off the lights?
Mama, do we have to go to sleep? Herbert doesn't want to go to sleep, Mama. What do you think? I think it's time to go to sleep. But he doesn't want to go to sleep. I don't want to go to sleep. Why are we the first ones that have to go to bed? Maybe the first ones to go to bed, but you're the first ones to get up in the morning.
Good night, dear stork.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I hope I made my web right. Whoa! That worked. Good test jump. Oh, but will it hold it down close? Oh, yes. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, it worked. Okay. Looks good.
Good night, dear spider.
Who's there? I'm trying to go to sleep. Who's there? I'm trying to go to sleep.
Good night, dear sheep.
Sweet sleep. I always like a little hay before bed. It just settles my stomach, you know? Ah.
Good night, dear cow.
Oh dear, maybe Duck's not sleepy. Just one more before bed, Mama. Just one more, please. Oh, she did it. Thank you, Mama. Yeah, thank you, Mama. Try again. One more. Wow, Mama, that was great. Do it again. Whoa, she did it. Whoops! Wow, I've never seen that before. Yay, Mama. One more time, Mama. Oh, yay! That's enough, my little chickadees. Let's go to bed.
Good night, dear chickens.
Duck's still awake, Mama. It's okay, just go to bed.
kissing bubbles. You're not the only one. I can do it too. And I go in circles. I can go in circles too, see? Let's race. Yay, I'm winning. No, you're winning. I'm winning. Ooh, look at that bubble.
Good night, dear fishes.
I've got a pretty full tummy. That's what happens. I've got a pretty full tummy. That's what happens. Woo! Bet you can't do that.
Good night, dear goat.
Oh, it's getting tired and ready for bed. I still want to play. Nothing feels good like a good stretch. Yes, sir.
Sleep well, dear cats.
I'm looking for the rubber ducky, but it's just me. Where'd he go? Let me look again. Oh no. I'm all by myself. Rats. I mean duck. Might as well go to bed after all.
Good night, dear duck.
I wonder if those fish took my duck. Probably not. Oh well. Good night. Hi. I like a good snack before bed. Don't you? You eat cereal, I bet. I get to eat hay. It is so good.
Good night, dear pony.
Something smells good. Smells like pizza, maybe. But maybe that's carrots, actually. It could really be carrots.
Buonissimo!
I know I smell something.
Sleep well, dear rabbit.
Someone needs to pull the bathtub plug for that duck.
Not the duck again. Someone probably took its silly rubber ducky. He's always claiming someone steals his rubber ducky, but I don't think it's true. Yeah, everybody on this farm is pretty much live and let live. We all get along. Every once in a while, you know, the roosters are a little loud.
Good night, dear pig.
I'm the last one to go to bed, of course. You know why? Because I'm a watchdog. But I don't get any respect. You know what that horse was saying to me the other day? He said, if you're a watchdog, where's your watch? Ha 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 ha. Everyone's a comedian on the farm sometimes, but they rely on me at night when it's time to go to bed. And I'm not going to let them down tonight. I'm going to keep my eye open just in case.
Good night, dear dog.
I heard that. You can tell. It's just the duck, though. He's been giving us trouble lately.
They are all sleeping now. Well done. Can you hear them? Wait a second. Someone is still awake. Do you know who that is? Yes, that's you. Off to bed you go. Nighty night. And don't forget to turn off the lights.
Click to subscribe or watch more videos.
And Blue